Hello everybody, we're at my house, but there's a little difference this time. We have a guest here, and it's Connor once again, and we're going to do another video tour. It won't be as detailed as the first one, but...
We're starting out in the living room with the Hunter Grand Launch. That's 60 inches and all. Is it okay if I show them the remote control? Here's the remote. It's on low. If you didn't hear Mo Brian's videos, he said that the light stopped working like 2012. It's on low. Kick it to medium. Here, quick. It's got the old Hunter logo. I heard this replaced a really crappy unknown ceiling fan.
Well, there were other ones. I'm not actually sure what this one is. I think it was SMC. I think the one that used to be here before was the best fan. It was the most decent quality fan of the three that came with the house.
On the 30th of January, I went to a Habitat and I got a fan, a Hampton Bay landmark made by SMC.
Cool. So that would have been the first one.
Yeah, I didn't want to leave it on high too much because sometimes when I have a fan that's like really, really wobbly and it's on the ceiling and it's like really powerful, I feel like it'll like fall right off the ceiling.
It won't. I've left it on high for long periods of time before, but we can leave it on low. Now we'll go to my fan room. I spent...
Yeah, which is most of the fans that make me jealous are.
Yep.
With the Montebello. Oh, what's this?
That's a Newton decorator, the older version.
Oh, this room feels smaller than I feel like it is. These shades. I have like a globe like this for my landmark.
Okay, so we'll first start with the fan on the ceiling is the Harbor Breeze Montebello. The remote is outside. Would you like to demonstrate it for us? It's out back.
Behind the door there. You see in the back of the door?
On the wall. Oh. The remote's like really shiny. I have one of these remotes. So, here's the light. Does it dim?
Yep, it's dimmable.
Because I like showing the dim features on lights that have dim. Oh, it makes like, on the globe it looks like it has the print of my parents' Harbor Breeze fan. Which I think is from like a 2004 or 2005. It's on low. Turn it to medium. I love the blue craftmate decorative that you have. I love the spotlight too. Cool.
We'll tour everything in a second. How about you take us to high?
I like to show different speeds with the light. The light works. Here's high. Man, these fans that you guys have are really powerful. And I heard that the Harbor Breeze Auras, which is the fan in your room.
Yep, which we'll see that pretty shortly.
Yeah, I heard that it's like 36 inches. I think it's like 36 inches. Oh, there's that brown exhaust fan right there. My grandparents have a brown exhaust fan.
That's cool. I actually have some too. So as you may be able to see,
These look like Lasco Decor America blades.
they are because the Lasco's right there.
Ooh, that's
I got that at Fanimation actually. You didn't see that?
No, I never noticed that.
Mark Wilson was selling 2 of them. And he gave one of them to the 3 the 2, I think it was like Roman and David. He gave one to them and then one to me, so.
Oh my gosh. I just want, it's the Lady Delta. Oh my gosh, I really want a Lady Delta. It has the LCA canopy. I love the LCA. Also, I was at a hotel and it had a Snow White Delta 2 with a...
And that is that the place where you told me about at McAllister's where the power went out?
Yeah, where the power. Yeah, where the. Yeah.
Yeah, well, that story didn't get on video, so I'm glad you're telling us now. So, you can look at them. That is the unknown Westinghouse looking fan. Maystays Hugger.
Mainstays, Hampton Bay, Littleton.
No, that's a I found out from E-Man fan. That's a Maystays actually.
Oh, the canopy on this fan, right. The canopy on for this looks like the canopy that I got of a fan that I got from Dan. I got a Hunter Continental from him.
Cool.
And I also got a green Emerson Designer and 2 Hunter Coastal Breezes.
So you already got them?
Yeah. And there's this cool top mount thing which I never noticed that you had.
I never made a video of it. I just got it. It's an Evergo.
Evergo. And it's got this.
That doesn't come with it. That's for the Encon fan.
Oh, it's got this cool like ball chain.
Yep.
And I see there's
There's
blades.
2 decoratives.
Yeah,
And we got the 2 spinners under there. And then we got the Victorians in here. And the tropical breezes in there.
And I see that you got these 2 unknowns.
No, I've had them for a little while.
Kind of I actually want I love those unknown things. Like I just like the fans because of the look.
Yeah. So over here we got the
blades.
set of blades, but not all of them.
The
Just
Littleton's blades, the 2 unknowns blades, the black Mainstays blades, the Harbor Breeze Hyman's blades, a mounting bracket from off the fans, the blades for the Hunter over there, blades for something, I don't know.
that's the Hugger, the Walmart fan.
You got the stencil blades.
The stencil blades are for the Newtons.
Okay. The Ancon and press blades and I think those. Oh wait, are those the Littleton blades? Right there?
Yes. And that's actually the one I found out was a Maystays Hugger. It looks like a Littleton, but it is a Maystays Hugger. This I'm still not sure what it is, and that's the Walmart.
Alright, well, I can tell it's a Walmart. It looks real crappy. I heard that broke. So
Yeah.
And over here you got the light kits for. This one's for the.
Those 2 are for the unknowns, but I
Yeah.
use the glasses replacement for the Encon, which all the globes got stacked up
and they fell an hour later. Mm-hmm. The switch housing for the Hunter, the three of the
from surviving globes.
Yes. The one for that heritage color, that heritage thing.
The black one.
Yeah. I love this light shade. The mainstays thing and the Newton decorator.
Okay.
So we're heading upstairs into your room with the fan.
The Harbor Breeze Ura and the Ellen Roth.
The Harbor Breeze Ura seems real cool. I see it on. Oh, turn it off. With glass. Oh my gosh! I've never seen this thing in person. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny.
I know. I mean, I've always thought it's looked bigger for.
I tried to hit this off button. It's not turning off.
It's the top off button that turns it off.
Oh.
And then
these 2 on and off buttons at the bottom do
are,
the light.
Yep, but it can't be dimmed.
Oh, that's cool. It looks a lot like a 36-inch fan. Why is it not turning? Oh.
I'm pretty sure it's 42-inch. I could be wrong, but I think with all the daylight and stuff, it just looks like it's small for some reason.
Yeah, I saw on a box on one of these on Amazon, it said on the box it's 36 inches.
Maybe it is. We'll see about that.
Well, I have one of these box fans right here, but the knob's different.
I see. I haven't done videos of any of these floor fans, so not this video, but in another video I thought we could demonstrate these.
Oh, the
box fans here. Does that sound good?
Sure. Yeah. By the way, this remote looks like the remote of a fan that I have. I have a Hampton Bay.
Yeah, Hampton Bay's made remotes like that too. I've seen remotes like that made by Hampton Bay before.
Oh, I heard a clicking. Oh, is this the switch for the fan right there?
Yes.
Alright. So, wow, this thing's fine. Jeez. Oh, it's just rolling. I'll go. And that off. I want to watch it spin down because I love like the spin down. Like it has to be a spin down for me to do a whole video. Like if I do a video without spin down, it like drives me crazy.
Okay. Well, so here we have a last. So we'll review this while it's spinning down. We'll review the stuff that we have in here. So we have this Lasco box fan. We have this Lasco portable fan. And we have this red Room Ascension mini.
I have a Hawaiian race that looks exactly like that.
Cool.
Oh, there's spinning down. Looks like this thing has been dusted.
Yeah, it is gonna need to be cleaned sooner or later.
And I heard this house was built in 1980.
Yep, exactly 1980.
One of my grandparents' house was their house was built in 1988, and it's like it's flimsy. Like no one cared how they built it. It's just really loose.
Really what?
Loose.
Loose.
Yeah, and it's 8 years younger than this house. And this house is like perfectly sturdy.
Yeah, we've renovated it a lot. Like we completely redid the kitchen, and as you may know, we redid the bathroom last.
Yeah. And so is that
The bathroom.
Thursday Allen Ross? Yeah, I see. See a better look. Whoa! What the? Whoa! It's glowing in the dark. Wait, is that the switch? Oh, it's a switch. Alright. So up here, we got the
Now the remote to this is dead. It's right there, but
it doesn't work.
nope. And this is like the 4th, 5th time it's died.
4th or 5th time it's died. Wow.
Yes, and the remote downstairs is exactly like it for the Montebello, and I've only had that a year longer than this, and it's only died like one time. So.
Oh, I'm a fear of heights, but I want to look over here anyway. So here's a Top Shelf, the Hunter Grand Lodge ceiling fan.
Sometimes I'll even do that.
Oh my gosh, that kind of scares me when I do that. You can see the remote down on that desk. But is the fan still on even when the remote's dead?
Yes, and you can flip the switch. It's the one to the right.
This switch?
Yep.
Oh.
And it's on high right now.
Wow. This thing's noisy. Oh, I've seen one of these at a Lowe's that like my local Lowe's.
Yeah, which is I'm gonna assume that's the Noblesville one, right?
Yeah.
Because that's the one I did my Lowe's video.
Wait, you did your
That
video?
my really popular Lowe's video. I went. At least it's the one by the marsh down there.
Wait, do you play video games?
Yeah.
I do. I'm into gaming as well.
So
And I have a TV in my room that has an Xbox on it, and I also have a game on my computer, on a laptop that I have called The Very Organized Dave.
cool.
I wish I brought my laptop so I could show the game. But I did do a little vlog on I was going to show you a little vlog that I did all the way up until today. But I forgot my iPod, so. Oh, and it says that's from March 2006. You can see it.
Yeah, it says 0306, but
Yeah. It's before I was born. It's the same year I was born, but Not the month. I was born December.
Yeah, sometimes, maybe I said it was 2004. Actually, yeah, that would be right. It's from 2006 because it was put in around when I turned 4.
Oh.
So that was before you were born.
Yeah.
So.
My parents are thinking about letting me have a YouTube channel. Man,
That'll be cool.
Man, that thing's dusty. Wow.
Yeah, well, that's really hard to dust because it's so high up.
It's way high.
And we have an outdoor ladder and an indoor ladder. Well, we did until the indoor ladder somehow got used as an outdoor ladder. So now we have 2 ladders with dust and cobwebs all over them. So, yeah, we're trying still. And I mean, if we were able to get that, we'd probably, when we can clean the fan really well, we can probably replace the light on it too. So, but we never use the light, so that's why we've let it get away for so long.
Maybe some of your subscribers really, really want to see the light on.
I'm sure they do, but
yeah,
what can I do? So that's gonna be it for now. We'll probably make a few more videos.
Wait, Brian, is it okay if I ask? Can I see that your future fan shop? Maybe not.
I don't think my mom would let me do that. No.
Oh, the Ara stuff. It's real small.
So we'll put it back on. Low. I already put it back.
Yeah. I love this fan. I really like. I hope I get one.
Well, if I find one at a restore or something, I'll be sure to give it to you because since I already have one, I mean, who needs 2, right?
Yeah.
So that's gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching.